Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix blurry text issue in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple problem, and I give the simple solution to fix this problem. Here is my text on my fonts or anywhere on my Windows PC, and it is showing blurry. This is our problem, and we are going to solve this problem. First, go to the start and here type appearance. Here type adjust the appearance and the performance of Windows. Type this and click at here. Here we find menu option. Here we find main option important for us, smooth edge of screen fonts. Select this or check this. If it's unselect, then check this and make sure let Windows choose what the best for my computer. Select this, click on the apply, click on OK, and your blurry font issue is gone from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.